Good morning, Rich. It's Corky Hurd. I'm at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. I want to thank you for your inquiry. You inquired about the new 2017 Accent. As you can see, it's got that beautiful fluidic sculptor design. This car is not very heavily equipped, but it does have some great features. Let me show you a little bit about it. You can seat three comfortably across the back here. You've got the nice cloth seats there. That's a new design that we have, very wearable. You have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Of course, you've got your USB auxiliary iPod hookup over here. This thing is pretty nicely equipped. It's priced right, around $16,000. It's also equipped with the best warranty in the car business. From Hyundai, you get a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. As a dealer, Tameron doubles that, 20-year, 200,000, 5-year, 60,000 on the comprehensive new car warranty. As you can see, great warranty, great price, excellent gas mileage, around 36 highway. Give me a call, Russ. Again, my name's Corky Hurd. It's Tameron Hyundai. Reach me direct, 205-337-8139. Who the operator is going to be 205-380-6250. Look forward to hearing from you.